Governor Greg Abbott provided an update on response efforts to severe weather hitting East Texas and Southeast Texas. The governor said at least 3 lives have been lost in the storms that began to hit late last week. At a briefing held this afternoon in Conroe, just north of Houston, the governor said 91 counties in Texas have been impacted by damage and flooding. The governor declared a state disaster for those areas. As of this morning, 48 state roads closed because of high water. Another 14 are closed because of flood damage.
There could be some people who think, well, you know what, we may be out of the woods. That would not be the correct thing to think.
Now, the governor said to expect road closures to continue while rivers are going to continue to rise. Residents near the Trinity, San Jacinto, and Navasota rivers are asked to listen carefully to local officials for safety information.